got to shout out my own family right now. Our Faith Fit family's in the house.
Oh, good morning, Faith Fit.
See Faith Fit, I see you guys. Thank you.
You should take it slow.
Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, for today's video guys, ayun, ito yung full video namin during our participation sa Dubai Run 2025. Ayun guys, medyo maaga. Yung slot na nakuha namin it's 7 AM. So kailangan nandun na kami before 7. So it's already 6 in the morning guys, pero medyo madilim pa kasi nga winter dito sa UAE. And then guys, dito kami dumaan sa World Trade. Ayan.
Yeah.
Super dami ng tao. Siyempre sila.
We're going
Say hi
to
to the camera. Hi guys.
Sheikh Zayed.
Hello guys. Yes guys, yung iba pauwi na kami pa. Ano pa lang. Punta pa lang.
Sin, ang tawa, uga train pa ta. Tara, Dubai Run 2025. Abot mi diri. Tumba na mo Sheikh Zayed Road, isara nila.
We have literally hundreds and thousands of you on Sheikh Zayed Road.
Yeah!
We can see you on the cameras as well. Give yourselves a big wave. Good morning.
Kailan, nindot kaya na tao, no? Dari channel mati aja.
Yes guys, dito talaga ako, sobrang natawa ko at saka, pero naan talaga siya guys, it's a wonderful experience talaga guys. Pero tingnan nyo guys, hindi na siya Dubai Run, kundi Dubai Walk. And then, hindi talaga siya masabing Dubai Walk, Dubai Slowly Walk. Yan. Kasi yung iba guys, nagti-tiktok, nagsi-selfie, nagbi-video. Yung iba nga dyan, nakaupo sa daan, humiga talaga sila sa daan. Kasi it's been a good, talaga, it's a wonderful experience kasi nga itong Sheikh Zayed Road guys. Alam nyo guys, for 18 years here in UAE, ngayon lang ako nakaapak dito kasi ito sa busiest road ng UAE, ng Dubai, sorry. Yeah, ang isa sa napaka-busy na daan talaga dito sa Dubai. Yun, yung Dubai Sheikh Zayed Road. Yan. Kaya yung iba talaga, mini-mesmerize nila, yung talagang ini-enjoy lang yung moment, yung iba naupo, tapos yung iba talaga, nahiga talaga sa sa daan. Kasi 'di ba guys, ako guys, 18 years na kami dito sa Dubai, pero first time naming nakaapak dito sa Sheikh Zayed Road. Kaya thank you Dubai Run organizer.
No na, giuhon na mong baby, wa pa kadagan. Dara si Christine GT. Ano mas Dabi? Dabi! 5 PM, dara. Asa man ta?
Straight no? Ay, diriyan.
Go.
Thank you to the mums and the dads and the aunties and the uncles for bringing you out. Good morning, Papa. Good morning.
Well done. Well done.
Just make sure you keep moving. Everybody needs to get across the start line. The paramotors are still going along Shanghai Road. Patronus, I'm only going to shout you out when you get me to the Formula One. Honestly, tonight you look unreal.
Mami! Mami! Kristen! We're in Dubai Run. Dubai Run. Say hi, princess. Hi.
Yes, no pineapple on pizza. Okay, we did it. We got it done.
Good morning to the Actors Association.
Shamira Dubai, welcome. We appreciate you. This is your Dubai Run 2025. Congratulations, as I said.
At naka-finishing kasi. Look around you! The blues, the smiles, the selfies, the claps. Congratulations! Dubai Run 2025, you just completed 10 Please keep moving. Listen to our volunteers, listen to our security guards. Please keep moving. If you're planning on taking the metro
A few moments later.
Thank you, Dubai Run, for this wonderful experience. Ang sarap tumakbo kasama ang napakaraming tao na full of energy and positivity. Maraming salamat sa organizers and volunteers for keeping everyone safe and fun. And to everyone who joined, thank you for the good vibes and motivation. Isa sa mga araw na hindi natin makakalimutan, guys. And for sure, see you again next year. And once again, thank you, Dubai Run, sa for this wonderful and amazing experience.